Hi, I'm Dr. Sahiba Bedi. I'm associated with Center for Sight Mumbai in the departments of cataract, pediatric ophthalmology, and squint. Cataract basically means aging of the crystalline lens of your eye. Everyone is born with a transparent lens gifted by God, and as you age, especially after about 50 years, 55 years, this transparent lens slowly turns opaque just because of aging. And this opaque lens is nothing else but cataract. The most common cause of cataract is what we come across most commonly in the day, which is senile cataract, as I just discussed, because of the aging process. However, there could be other causes of cataract as well. So any sort of injury to the eye or the crystalline lens turns it opaque, causing a traumatic cataract. Another cause of cataract could be a long-term side effect of strong medications like steroids, which you might be taking for any other cause in the body like arthritis, etc. That also causes cataract. Sometimes cataract is seen in newborn babies and younger children as well. It could occur by birth as a result of some genetic abnormality that is known as congenital cataract, or it could occur in the first 3 years of life, which is known as developmental cataract. Irrespective of the cause, the treatment of cataract remains universal throughout the world, which is only and only cataract surgery with IOL implantation. With recent medical advancements, now we have resorted to microincision cataract surgery known as MICS, along with posterior chamber IOL implantation. MICS is a very quick, stitchless way to get rid of your cataracts. The surgery takes just about 20 to 30 minutes maximum. As I mentioned, it's a stitchless procedure. There's a very small cut that comes at the side of the cornea, which heals on its own. All you have to do is just properly put your post-op drops as advised by your ophthalmologist. And the most important thing that you need to take care in your post-op regimen is a good control over your diabetes, blood pressure, or any other systemic comorbidity that you would be having. However, if your body is unfit in and around the surgery, your diabetic or blood pressure status is not controlled, then sometimes you may need to put a little extra drops, or we may need to resort to some other forms of post-operative care for your recovery as well. So this is a very subjective aspect. What I like to tell my patients is that to assess how much is that cataract affecting their quality of life. There are people who resort to more of night time driving or night activities. In those, symptoms of cataract is generally picked up sooner. They do tend to get a lot of glare and halos very early on, even with early cataracts. So it's a good idea to get operated well in time and get rid of those distressing symptoms. However, if you feel that despite having cataract, your day-to-day quality of life is not being hampered, then based on the discussion with your ophthalmologist, you can probably wait a while, but do keep a regular screening and evaluation continued with your ophthalmologist, and keep them an active part of your journey throughout, so that they can very well in advance advise you what is a good time to get your cataracts operated. Lastly, another important question that we come across from patients is that will I need to wear glasses after cataract surgery? So again, this depends on the type of IOL or the intraocular implant that we are putting after removing your cataracts. Nowadays, with a lot of advancements, we have very good premium quality implants available in the form of multifocal or trifocal lenses or extended depth of focus lenses, which are known as EDOF lenses, with the help of which we can actually help you get rid of your glasses forever for distance, intermediate as well as near. So meet your ophthalmologist and discuss these options, because nowadays cataract surgery is not that difficult and the recovery is very quick, and we can help you in getting rid of your glasses after the surgery. Thank you.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.